Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Looking to give your backyard a stunning transformation. Whether you are on a budget or planning a luxurious patio, this video provides incredible home backyard patio makeover ideas. From modern designs to cozy spaces, we cover everything you need to create the perfect outdoor escape. Your backyard patio can be the ultimate retreat, a space for family gatherings, or an area for some quiet relaxation. Over time, however, it might lose its appeal. A patio not only enhances the look and feel of your home, but can also increase its value. With a few smart ideas, you can breathe new life into your outdoor space without spending a fortune. No patio makeover is complete without a bit of nature. Adding plants can completely change the look and feel of your backyard. If space is limited, try a vertical garden. It's a great way to incorporate greenery while saving space. You can use hanging planters or even install a living wall with climbing plants. For an easy and low maintenance option, scatter potted plants around your patio. From herbs to flowers, they can add a burst of color and freshness to the space. Larger trees or shrubs can offer shade and privacy, making your patio feel more secluded and peaceful. Invest in high quality outdoor furniture that combines comfort with elegance. Opt for materials like teak or metal for durability and timeless appeal. Good lighting can make a significant difference in how you enjoy your patio during the evening hours. Here are some creative lighting ideas to make your patio stand out. Solar lights are energy efficient and can be installed along walkways, flower beds, or around the perimeter of your patio. Lanterns and candles can provide soft lighting and a romantic atmosphere. Use lanterns of different heights for visual interest. LED strip lighting along railings or under furniture can provide your patio a modern look, glowing effect and perfect for evening parties. For those who prefer a more rustic and cozy outdoor space, consider these makeover ideas to make your backyard patio the ultimate retreat. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere by adding a fire pit. It's a great centerpiece for your patio and perfect for gathering around with friends and family during cool evenings. If you love natural materials, consider wooden decking for a traditional feel. Complement the wood with soft outdoor cushions, blankets, and lanterns for a relaxing ambience. For an extra touch of comfort, consider adding flowering outdoor curtains. They offer privacy and add a breezy, cozy vibe to your space. Don't forget to infuse your patio with personal touches that reflect your unique style. Add colorful cushions, quirky decor, or art that resonates with you. By adding these personal elements, you will make your backyard patio a true extension of your home. If you enjoyed these home backyard patio makeover ideas, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more home renovation tips and outdoor inspiration. Let us know in comments which ideas you will using for your own patio makeover. Up till next time, happy decorating.